Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Jobs series on the Car Diagnostic software channel. In this series, we share real coding jobs performed on real Mercedes-Benz vehicles based on actual customer requests. In today's video, we're working on a Mercedes-Benz S-Class W 223, and the job is changing the HU7 head unit language and radio frequency from JP to ECE. This vehicle is a Japan spec car, so the radio frequency and system language are limited. To make it usable in other markets, coding is required. In this case, we're using a C4 interface with DTS Monaco 9 software. For technicians who want to learn and practice jobs like this step by step, I also have a DTS Monaco guidebook that explains the coding logic, domains, and real working cases in detail. And now, let's go step by step and start the coding process. Step 1. Connect VCI and reset the connection. Before starting the coding, we reset the diagnostic connection to make sure the interface communicates correctly with the vehicle. Step 2. Coding change language. Next, we connect to the HU7 head unit and start the coding process. In domain 004, we change the system language settings. This step changes the display, language, and regional system configuration, from Japan specification to Europe specification. Step 3. Coding change radio frequency. After that, we move to domain 064, which controls the radio frequency range. This allows the radio to work on the full ECE frequency range instead of the limited Japanese FM band. Step 4. Do coding. if you're doing Mercedes coding jobs and need support, feel free to contact me. And if you want to see more real coding jobs on real Mercedes vehicles, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.